Hello students, I am Trupti Parab. Today I am going to explain the topic force. What is the force? Force is the concept of the physics which are example anything causes of the push or pull, it is the force. Example, this is the ball in the rest position on the football ground. Some students or any one person is kick the ball. That time that ball is displaced or change their place from A point to the B point. Means what? That when they kick the ball, means what? That person is applied the force on that object. Here in this position, this action is called as a pushing the ball. Another one, second one, pulling. Pulling means what? Pulling a object. When someone is catch the ball, means what? That pull that object towards itself. So it is called as a pulling. So main concept of the force is the pushing and the pulling of any object. This is called as force. When you apply or when you push any object, that time also you use force, and when you pull the object towards yourself, that time also you use the force. So main concept of the push or pull, it is called as a force. Now I will explain the different types of force or different examples of force here. When you hammering on a nail, that time also you use the one type of action, that is a pushing. That one is called as a force. Another one, fruit is falling from tree. This is also one type of the force. So these are the different examples of the force. Now there are different types of force here. I will explain. 4 types of forces. First one, muscular force. Name of this force is muscular force. This force is due to the muscles. The force is applied due to the muscles. It's called muscular force. Example, when you are laughing, that time you use in the class there is someone is telling you joke. That time when you are laughing, that time use that muscles using for laughing. So this is also one type of the muscular force. When some students are fighting in the class, that time also use the muscles. So this is also type of muscular force. Second type is the mechanical force. Mechanical force. We use different appliances in our home, such as mixer, grinder. Next one is a fridge, fan. So these are the different types of machines working in our house. They are applying some force. That force is called as a mechanical force. Third type is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means the force is applied due to the charge, or force become convert due to the charge. Example, this is the 2 balloons are here, blue balloon and the red balloon. When you rub on the blue balloon using the cotton cloth, that time there is some charge is created on that blue balloon, and when you take that red balloon towards the blue balloon, they become attracted because of the electrostatic force. So here is a negative charge is created and red balloon has already positive charge, that time negative and positive charge become attracted towards each other because of the electrostatic force. Next one, fourth type of force is magnetic force. What is magnetic force? Some force or which force is applied due to the magnet, it is called as a magnetic force. You already know that the magnet has a two poles. There are different types of magnets. This is a horseshoe type magnet. These are two poles, north and south pole. When there is another objects like iron, cobalt, nickel, these are magnetic objects attracted towards the magnet. This is the ionic nail is attracted towards the magnet. That time there is a formation of the force is called as a magnetic force. So here are different types of forces. We already know the muscular force, mechanical force, electrostatic force and the magnetic force. So muscular force, mechanical force, electrostatic and magnetic, these are the different types of forces we use daily life. Thank you.